We're in our mid-year, end of semester speaking and listening and writing. And so to review what this is all about, I'm going to introduce and let you know what we're doing here. This is speaking and listening. And everything we're doing here in our groups for speaking and listening is to provide information for your writing assignment that's coming up. Our writing assignment is called ANTS. And we're right now gathering information to provide 3 to 6 yellow key facts that are going to be supported by red support sentences. And as we do that in our discussion group, the first person in the chair, the share chair, which is Dan and to start with in this group, will share what they've learned from 2 videos that we just watched in the room about ants. And when she's done sharing at least 3 facts, maybe 6, then the group at the table and in your group can ask questions or add to. Now, the questions that you add or that you ask or the clarification that you ask for can help her to come up with more information for her yellow key facts to put on her graphic organizer, or his when it comes to Eric and Anthony in this group, right? Now, the things that I'm looking for are here in our discussion groups. I'm looking to see if you in the group are keeping your eyes on her, if you're asking questions at the end, and if you're sharing more information, because as you say something, I want to hear Dan and respond to you to what your comments are. Whatever you bring up, she can say, oh, I can use that, or I don't believe that, I don't agree with that, or you can agree with it and say, hey, that's a great idea, let me add that to my discussion notes, which are at the bottom. You're not at the right place. Get to the right place, kiddo. This is for discussion notes. We'll be taking notes here. Video notes were on the video. Now, discussion notes are as a part of our discussion. And this is where you'll be taking your notes. So, Eric, you already filled up this. This is the wrong place. You were taking notes on the video. If you were to continue that, you're supposed to, written on the back side. Right now, I guess you're going to have to use this part for your discussion notes. Okay? That's where our notes go for discussion, giving you more information, hopefully red support sentences for your paragraph. Okay, you can start your discussion.
Ants don't have eyes. The queen ant is the only ant that lays eggs. The ant can lift over 20 pounds. Ants do not have lungs. When army ants bite, it will sting. Ants suck the juice out of the food and eat it later. You made up the 20 pounds thing because it said 20 times the weight. I think you're times the weight. And you made up some other stuff. So I'm going to add weight. Do I put it right here?
Well, your discussion notes are there, hon, if that's something you want to add to it. But you know what? You really can't write now because they're asking you questions. But you want to remember these facts. You guys might want to add it to your notes.
I agree with ants don't have lungs because it said that in the video. I heard that too in the video. I was gonna add they have holes to breathe, yeah.
Could you repeat that? Real loud?
Wait,
What'd you say? What'd you just say to her? I couldn't hear it. I need to hear that. Here we go.
So, I heard that too. I was going to add it, but I thought I was going to go over it. But, yeah, and we have to go back, so I kind of forgot. So, I kind of didn't want to go over, but I was going to say that.
More questions, huh?
Natalia. Well, I really don't actually get it with the eyes because you just said ants. I meant ants can't see sometimes. That's what I meant to say. No, maybe